In a peaceful meadow, Benny, a lavender rabbit, lazily nibbled on grass, while Ricky, a hyperactive raccoon with bright blue stripes, chased a glowing butterfly. Suddenly, a shiny golden apple rolled from behind a tree, catching both of their attention. Ricky dashed for it, and Benny, surprisingly quick, followed close behind. Just as they were about to grab it, Timmy, a mischievous orange squirrel, swooped down from the branches and snatched the apple. Benny and Ricky froze in shock, staring at Timmy's victorious grin. Before they could react, Molly, the clever fox with a blue scarf, rolled a massive wheel of glowing cheese into the meadow. Instantly, everyone forgot about the apple and sprinted after the cheese, laughing and tumbling over each other. Even the glowing butterfly joined the chase. They finally collapsed in a pile at the top of a hill, giggling and exhausted. As they rested, the golden apple quietly rolled toward them, forgotten but still gleaming, as the friends basked in their unexpected adventure.